Hey guys, Prathamesh here from Reviews by Prathamesh. And let me start with a simple question. How many AI tools are you using right now? One for writing, one for videos, one for voiceovers, maybe a few more for graphics, avatar, chatbot, screen recording. If your browse look like a battlefield open, tabs and monthly subscription are draining your wallet, then you need to see this. Because today I'm reviewing something that's changing the AI game forever. It's called Super AI. And if you're tired of paying for 10 tools to do one job, this tool is going to blow your mind. So here is the truth. Big Tech broke AI into pieces of purpose. They give you one tool for text, another for visuals, another for voiceovers, another for avatars, and then they changes your monthly for single piece. It's exhausting, it's expensive, and it's completely unnecessary in 2025 because now there is a better way. Introducing Super AI, the all-in-one solution. Super AI is just not another AI tool. It's a complete AI supermodel, packed with the power of ChatGPT, DeepSeek, ElevenLabs, Google Gemini, Cloud, Stable Diffusion, HeyGen, Leonardo, and more, all in one unfiled dashboard. These things can write blog posts, emails, ads, and landing pages, clone realistic voice in any languages, generate content like ChatGPT but faster, create studio quality design with AI, builds avatar that speak your scripts automatically, record screen demos without editing, repurpose viral content in seconds, automate entire workflow with a click. Literally everything you pay 10 plus different tools for, Super AI gives you in one place for one time price. So why it matters? Let me break this down simply. With Super AI, even total beginners can launch a YouTube channel without being on camera, start a faceless Instagram or TikTok brand, write high converting copy without touching the keyword, offer freelance service without being a designer, voice actor, or video editor, build a side hustle, even a full business, completely powered by AI. If you click a button or send an email, you're already qualified to use Super AI. No tech skill, no steep learning curve. So here what it will cost you to replicate this setup with individual tools like ChatGPT Plus, a $20 subscription per month, 11 Labs $22 a month, Midjourney $30 a month, HeyGen $49 a month, Jasper $59 a month, Canva Pro $13 a month, stock libraries $30 plus month, and that's around $370 to $600 every single month. Over a year, that's $4,000 plus gone. But with Super AI, you pay once and you own it for lifetime. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, full commercial right included, plus 30-day money back guarantee. It's simple, it's smart, and it just makes sense. So here is my final verdict why I recommended it. If you're a beginner who wants to build a brand, a freelancer looking to offer pro level service, or a creator tired of juggling 10 tools, Super AI is your unfair advantage. I'll tested lot of AI platform and most of them overpromise and under deliver. But Super AI different. It's fast, powerful, and actually fun to use. And this is just another tool in your stack. It's replace the stacks. So here's what you need to do. Click the link in below, grab lifetime license to Super AI and start creating with most powerful AI in one AI platform in the world. No subscription, no BS, just result. And hey, they will protected with 30-day money back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it. If you already create smarter, faster, and cheaper with AI, Super AI is a shortcut you've been waiting. And here is the deal. If you grab this product on my link, I will give you my exclusive 44,000 bonuses absolutely free. Just go check the description box, click the link, and grab the product on my link, and you will get these amazing bonuses on your mail within 5 minutes. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this video and enjoy it.